The tale of the egret, the bird, and the crow. Once upon a time, there lived an egret, a bird, and a crow. One day, the great drought struck, and water became scarce throughout the entire land. They had no water to drink. The egret invited all the birds to a meeting to discuss how they could find water. They decided to dig a well in the rock. The crow volunteered first, saying, "Let me go first to dig." And it slammed its beak on the rock. The rock dented, and the crow cried out in pain. Next, the bird tried. It also hit the rock with its beak, but its beak bent, and it cried, "Squeak, squeak, 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 squeak." Now, it was the egret's turn. It was very afraid but encouraged itself, saying, "Let me try and show them." It approached calmly and tapped the rock gently, and the water gushed out. They all cheered with joy and began to dance, wash, drink, and drink until they were satisfied. After that, they held another meeting to decide how to take care of the well. The egret was appointed the leader of the well. The crow was given the responsibility of guarding it, and the bird was tasked with cleaning the well and the container that held the water. After some days, the crow fell asleep, and lightning struck and took away the container into the clouds. They were left without a vessel to draw water, and thirst began to torment them. Weakened by thirst, they said, "We must go retrieve our container from Huba, god of thunder." The crow insisted, "I will go first." The others asked, "What will you say when you get there?" The crow answered, "Quack, quack." They asked the bird, "And you?" The bird said, "Squeak, squeak." Then the egret composed a song that went, hey Nguba, give me the egret container. Give me the egret's container." The egret is a noble bird, a servant of Ruhinda. They all agreed that it was best song. The crow went to Nguba and sang, hey Nguba, give me the egret's container. Give me the egret's container." The egret is the noble bird, a servant of Ruhinda. But Nguba's servants caught the crow, beat it up, and threw it into the fire. It escaped and came back empty-handed. Then the bird went and sang the same song. It was beaten too, thrown into fire, and came back without the container. Lastly, the egret went. It humbled itself and sang sweetly, hey Nguba, give me the egret's container. Give me the egret's container. The egret is a noble bird, a servant of Ruhinda. Nguba heard the song and said, "Silence! Let me hear that song again." The egret repeated it more beautifully. Touched, Nguba ordered his servants to give the egret its container. The egret returned home happily.